Most people buying a used car after 50 are shopping the wrong way. They're looking at price, they're looking at mileage, but they're completely ignoring the three things that actually matter most once you're over 50. And getting that wrong doesn't just cost you money, it can cost you your safety. If you're 50, 60, 70 years old, your needs behind the wheel have changed. Maybe your joints aren't what they were. Maybe night vision isn't as sharp. Maybe you're just done dealing with cars that make life harder than it needs to be. This video is built specifically for you. Real cars, real reasons, no fluff. Here's the thing nobody tells you at the dealership. A car that's perfect for a 30-year-old is often a nightmare for someone over 50. Low ground clearance, stiff suspension, tiny door openings, hard-to-read gauges. These aren't just annoyances. They become genuine hazards. So today, we're going through the best used cars for seniors, ranked by what actually matters: ease of entry and exit, visibility, ride comfort, reliability, and safety technology. Let's get into it. Car 1, Toyota Camry, the gold standard of sensible. Picture this. You've just come from a doctor's appointment. Your knee is stiff. The parking lot is tight. You need a car that doesn't fight you when you're already tired. The Toyota Camry has been solving that problem for decades, and a used model from the last 10 years is still one of the smartest buys on the market. Here's why it works so well for drivers over 50. The seat height sits at a comfortable level. Not so low that you're dropping into it, and not so high that it feels like climbing. The door opening is wide. The seatbelt anchor sits right where you need it. And the interior is clean, logical, and easy to read without squinting. But here's what most buyers overlook: the reliability record. The Camry consistently ranks among the lowest cost-to-own vehicles on the road. That matters because a car that's always in the shop is a car that's always leaving you stranded. A used Camry from 2015 to 2020 with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine will give you around 203 horsepower, smooth highway manners, and fuel economy around 32 miles per gallon on the highway. That's real-world, wallet-friendly performance. If budget allows, look for a trim level with the Toyota Safety Sense package. That means pre-collision warning, lane departure alert, and automatic high beams are all built in. On a used car, that technology could save your life, and it's already paid for. Car 2, Honda CR-V, the SUV that gets seniors right. Now, a lot of people over 50 are gravitating toward SUVs, and for good reason. The higher seating position means less bending and less strain. But not all SUVs are created equal. Some are too tall, some ride too rough, some have blind spots the size of a barn door. The Honda CR-V, particularly models from 2017 onward, threads that needle perfectly. The ride height puts you in a commanding but comfortable position. Getting in and out is easy on the hips and knees. And the cargo area? Completely flat floor when the rear seats fold. That matters when you're loading groceries, luggage, or a grandchild's stroller. But here's where it gets interesting. The CR-V has one of the best over-the-shoulder visibility records in its class. That means parallel parking, backing out of driveways, and lane changes are all less stressful than in most competitors. And stress behind the wheel is something drivers over 50 should be actively minimizing. The 2.4-liter engine in older trims puts out around 185 horsepower, plenty for highway merging and mountain driving without being jumpy or nervous in stop-and-go traffic. Fuel economy lands around 34 miles per gallon on the highway, which is exceptional for an SUV. Reliability is Honda grade, meaning it's extremely difficult to kill one of these with regular maintenance. Car 3, Subaru Outback, the one for all seasons. Here's a scenario. You live somewhere that gets real winter. Ice, snow, slick roads. Or maybe you're retired and you're driving across the country. Mountain passes, unpredictable weather, long, empty stretches of highway. The Subaru Outback was designed for exactly that life. What makes it special for seniors is the combination of standard all-wheel drive and a raised ride height, about 8.7 inches of ground clearance, without being a full-blown off-road vehicle. You get stability and confidence without the bulk or the harshness. The interior ergonomics are worth mentioning specifically. Subaru has put serious thought into the driver's position. The seat height is right. The steering wheel adjusts with plenty of range. The gauges are large and clear. And in recent model years, the EyeSight driver assistance system, Subaru's suite of safety technology, covers automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist. On a used model from 2015 to 2019, you can often find EyeSight for well under $20,000. That's remarkable value. The 2.5-liter flat-four engine produces 175 horsepower. It's not flashy. It doesn't need to be. It just works, year after year, in conditions that would have lesser vehicles sliding into ditches. Car 4. Buick Enclave. Premium comfort without the premium price tag. Most car owners don't realize this. You don't have to buy new to get a luxury ride. The Buick Enclave is one of the best-kept secrets in the used car market for drivers over 50. Here's the thing about Buick. The brand has spent decades building cars specifically tuned for ride comfort and quiet cabins. They call their noise reduction system quiet tuning, and it shows. Highway miles in an Enclave feel genuinely calm. Road noise is absorbed, the suspension soaks up imperfections, and you arrive at your destination less fatigued than in nearly any other vehicle in its class. For seniors who are putting in long highway miles, visiting family across 2 states, driving to Florida in the winter, taking the scenic route because that's the point, fatigue behind the wheel is a real safety issue. The Enclave directly addresses that. A used Enclave from 2017 to 2020 runs on a 3.6-liter V6 engine, making 310 horsepower. That's enough power to pass comfortably on 2-lane roads and merge confidently at highway speed without hammering the gas. The seating position is elevated, entry and exit is easy, and the second-row seats slide forward on a track, so rear passengers don't have to perform gymnastics to get in and out. On a used market, a well-maintained Enclave from that era can be found for considerably less than a new compact SUV, and it drives like it costs twice what you paid. That's the Buick proposition, and it absolutely holds up. If you're finding this helpful, go ahead and subscribe. We put out content like this specifically for drivers over 50, and it'll save you real money and real headaches at the dealership. Car 5. Lexus ES, the long-haul champion. Now we're moving into the most important category, the car you buy when you want it to be your last used car purchase for a very long time. The Lexus ES is a full-size luxury sedan that sits on a platform shared with the Toyota Camry, which means you get Camry-grade mechanical reliability wrapped in one of the most refined interiors in the segment. And on the used market, a 3 to 5-year-old ES is extraordinarily accessible. Here's why this matters specifically for drivers over 50. Long ownership cycles are common at this stage of life. You're not chasing the next model year. You want one great car that you take care of, that takes care of you back. The Lexus ES is designed for exactly that relationship. The 2.5-liter hybrid powertrain in the ES 300HE produces a combined 215 horsepower and delivers around 44 miles per gallon combined. In a full-size car, that's not a typo. The fuel savings alone over 5 years of ownership can offset thousands of dollars of the purchase price. But the real story is the interior. The seats in the ES are heated and ventilated as standard on higher trims, and heated seats are not a luxury for seniors. They're a health benefit. Warmth reduces joint stiffness. Many drivers over 50 report meaningful pain reduction on cold mornings simply from having properly warmed seating. Lumbar support is generous and adjustable. The ride is smooth without being disconnected. You feel in control without feeling every crack in the road. Visibility in the ES is excellent. The belt line is low, the rear window is wide, and Lexus Safety System Plus on used models from 2019 onward gives you radar-guided adaptive cruise control, pre-collision braking, and lane tracing assist. This is the technology that can save your life when a moment's distraction happens, and it happens to all of us, eventually. Car 6. Ford Escape Hybrid, the practical everyday answer. Here's the reality check. Not everyone is shopping for a Lexus. Most people want something affordable, reliable, easy to park, and simple to maintain, without giving up comfort. That's the Ford Escape Hybrid, and a used model from 2019 to 2022 hits every single one of those marks. The Escape's footprint is smaller than most of the vehicles we've talked about today. That makes it significantly easier to park in tight lots, urban garages, and narrow residential streets. If you live in a city or a dense suburb, that practicality is worth more than almost any spec on a window sticker. The 2.5-liter Atkinson Cycle hybrid system produces 198 horsepower combined and achieves around 41 miles per gallon in the city. City fuel economy. In an SUV, that's a number that adds up to real money over the life of ownership. But here's what gets overlooked with the Escape: the front seat experience. The seat height is nearly perfect for the over 50 driver. You don't need to drop down, and you don't need to step up. It's a natural, upright boarding motion. The interior visibility is wide. The controls are straightforward. Ford's Copilot 360 on newer used models includes blind spot monitoring, cross-traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking, all of which become more valuable as reaction times naturally slow with age. Maintenance on the hybrid Escape is also lower than comparable non-hybrid vehicles. Regenerative braking means your brake pads last significantly longer. The engine runs less total time. The cost-to-own picture is genuinely favorable. Peak tip, the most important factor. Nobody talks about. Here's where it becomes expensive and dangerous if you get this wrong. It's not the brand, it's not even the model, it's the seat-to-roof measurement, and almost no one talks about it when buying a used car. Here's the problem. A large percentage of seniors experience some degree of spinal compression, stooped posture, or reduced neck flexibility with age. A car with inadequate headroom forces you into an unnatural seated position, head pitched forward, chin down, which directly impairs your ability to see traffic ahead, check mirrors, and make shoulder check maneuvers. Over a long drive, that position creates fatigue and pain. In a moment of urgency, it reduces your reaction capability. The cars on this list were specifically selected because they offer generous headroom in both the front and rear, with at least 38 to 41 inches of front headroom. Before you buy any used car, sit in it. Seat yourself naturally. If your head is near the headliner, or if you find yourself adjusting your posture to fit the car, walk away. The car should fit you, not the other way around. The second thing almost no buyer checks is the A-pillar thickness. The A-pillar is the structural column at the front corners of your windshield, between the windshield and the front side windows. On many modern vehicles, this pillar has gotten thicker to meet rollover safety standards, which is good for crash protection, but it creates a blind spot exactly in the zone where pedestrians and cyclists appear during turns. If you're test driving a used car and you notice you have to lean forward or sideways to see around the A-pillar when turning at an intersection, that is a genuine safety concern for any driver, and it becomes more significant with age. Every car on this list was chosen in part because the A-pillar geometry is reasonable. But always check this yourself, in person, before committing to any vehicle. The bottom line. Here's the summary. If budget is the priority, the Toyota Camry and Honda CR-V give you the best combination of reliability, comfort, and safety technology for the money. If you want all-weather confidence, the Subaru Outback is in a class of its own. If premium comfort and low long-term cost are your goals, the Lexus ES Hybrid is one of the smartest used car purchases on the market. If you're driving in a city or dense suburb, the Ford Escape Hybrid is your answer. And if you're putting in serious highway miles and you want to arrive genuinely rested, the Buick Enclave will surprise you. Whatever you choose, check the headroom, check the A-pillar, sit in the driver's seat for 5 minutes before you buy. A used car that fits your body in 2026 could easily serve you through 2035, but only if you buy the right one. Now here's my question for you. What car are you driving right now? And what's the one thing about it you wish you'd known before you bought it? Leave it in the comments below. It genuinely helps other people in this community make better decisions. And if this video was useful to you, subscribe. We cover everything about cars specifically for drivers over 50. Maintenance, buying, safety, saving money, and we're just getting started.